So I am living proof that after 2 generations of being corporate suits here in the Murphy clan, the next generation escaped to being self-sufficient, living off the land. Literally knowing skills that are as old as time, that no one can take away from you, and having people come to you to pay for the product of your skills. People come here to buy fruit trees hand over fist. It never stops because we all know that we need some food.
Come eat this custard apple. Now.
The custard apple.
Eat it before you slop it on the ground.
I'll tell you how I did it. Making a movie about that, it's going to take a little longer. It's a very organic path. I couldn't have written the script. There is no script written, which is how all good things happen. They happen serendipitously, if you let them, if you allow for that. And I did. It's an experiment. I admit it. I experimented on my kid because I looked ahead and I thought the world was going to change. So I will make that movie. It's going to take some time. But first, we got to cook up the short ribs because it is Keegan's birthday. He is turning 20. So we're going to throw him a party, just for him. So Keegan, do you feel any different?
Dude, I honestly feel a lot older, especially with a kid on my lap.
You got to leave the kids here. So normally I'd go and find something interesting to film, like this lizard, but more plant related. He is very fast though, that's kind of interesting.
It's banana.
Banana, yeah. But no, I'm babysitting. Yep, make sure the kids aren't watching trash on the internet. And sure enough, they were. So I had to turn them straight and have them watch something wholesome.
The sunlight will make them push out a little faster.
So, I like watching Dad on Grandpa's channel. Now we got a little fresh air. I turned on the water park, kept him out of trouble and kept him entertained. And then I tried to go find something plant-related to film here. I'm gonna get you in the video, Kyle. Let's try this.
We're gonna put a tarp up on that fence there for a wind block. And we started yesterday, so we're just gonna finish that real quick.
Well, that sounds really useful. Plants were blowing over. This will help.
Yeah, that's really smart.
But it's kind of boring. And moving on. So that bamboo video was only 2 months ago. From the new bamboo, we have bamboo shoots pushing up. That's a little bit. Got Mexican sunflower back here. That's going to be above the fence in, I'd give it 2 weeks. But we need a big closer, and these guys are just goofing off, so I had to put something together with Jonathan. Then everyone in Loxahatchee got on their bicycle and rode by the nursery. And I rode off with a Jabotacaba to deliver to a friend who started with that mango. And now is going crazy with pomegranate. Bananas, of course. You gotta grow all this stuff. Just start with one. You'll find out. You know. Little bok choy, you got it going. Hi, doggy. Back home to check out my own supply. Thanks for checking it out. See you next week.